Welcome back, fitness warriors, to the culmination of our fitness meal prep series. You've witnessed the power of nutrition science, delved into the intricacies of mind-body impact, and explored advanced strategies that elevate your performance. Now, in part 4, we're unveiling the pièce de résistance, an ultimate fitness nutrition blueprint that weaves together detailed scientific techniques for unparalleled mind-body mastery. Let's embark on this transformative journey. 1. Metabolic optimization through macrocycling. Today, we dive into metabolic mastery with macrocycling, an advanced technique to maximize muscle growth and fat loss. Learn how to strategically adjust your macronutrient ratios based on training days, unleashing your body's potential for peak performance. 2. Nutrigenomics. Tailoring nutrition to your genes. Unlock the secrets of your DNA with Nutrigenomics, the groundbreaking science of how your genes interact with nutrition. Discover how personalized eating plans can be created based on your genetic makeup, optimizing your health and fitness results. 3. Advanced Glycemic Index Utilization. Delve into the intricacies of the glycemic index, a tool that rates the impact of carbohydrates on blood sugar levels. Learn how to leverage this knowledge to fuel workouts, enhance recovery, and maintain stable energy levels. 4. Precision macronutrient timing, intra-workout nutrition. Precision macronutrient timing, intra-workout nutrition. Enter the realm of intra-workout nutrition, where precise macronutrient timing can optimize energy, endurance, and muscle preservation during intense sessions. Uncover strategies to fuel your workouts for peak output and growth. 5. Advanced supplementation for recovery and growth. We're revisiting supplementation with a focus on recovery and growth. Explore advanced supplement options that target post-workout muscle repair, inflammation reduction, and hormone optimization, elevating your gains to new heights. 6. Autophagy and nutrient cycling, a cellular approach. Unlock the secrets of cellular rejuvenation with autophagy, the body's natural recycling system. Discover how nutrient cycling and strategic fasting can trigger autophagy, promoting cellular health, longevity, and improved metabolism. 7. Precision micronutrient stacking, nutrient synergy. Master the art of micronutrient synergy, where combining specific nutrients enhances their absorption and effectiveness. Explore advanced nutrient stacking to boost immune function, support recovery, and optimize performance. 8. Mindful eating for optimal digestion, digestive science. Zoom into the realm of digestive science with mindful eating techniques. Learn how to optimize digestion through proper chewing, eating rhythm, and strategic food combinations, ensuring your body optimally absorbs nutrients. 9. Personalized nutritional autoregulation, listening to your body. Empower yourself with personalized nutritional autoregulation. Discover how to tune into your body's signals, adjusting your nutrition based on hunger, energy levels, and workout demands, forging an intuitive and effective approach. And there you have it, fitness pioneers, the grand finale of our fitness meal prep series. Armed with advanced scientific techniques, you're now equipped to master your mind, body, and nutrition like never before. If this transformative journey resonates with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's continue pushing the boundaries of fitness together. From precise nutrient timing to personalized genomics, you're on the path to exceptional mind-body mastery. Remember, this isn't just about fitness, it's about unlocking the potential within you. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge, embracing progress, and fueling your journey